After watching Moonlight Jewel's videos, I got inspired to make ball jointed dolls myself because I like posable action figures. But now that they're done, I have no idea what I should call them. Or do you think it's too cursed to give them a name? This is a custom ball jointed doll made up of leftover parts from the Polaris BJD and the 1/3 BJD from Singerwords, which I each printed at about 60% scale. I made an extra head from a Nier Automata 2B model that I found on Thanks. When I first put it together, I thought, oh no, I accidentally created a whole vibe. The t-shirt and beanie are leftover from other attempts from other dolls. The sweatpants are made fresh for this doll from a simple pattern made with clingfoil and tape. The hair is white embroidery yarn that are knotted on a wire and attached to the skull. The face I painted with acrylics and added a bit of shine to the eyes with clear lacquer. So, what do you think a good name would be?